In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work faster in Microsoft Word with styles, automation, and smart review. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If you want real speed in Word, focus on structure first, not decoration. The biggest boost comes from using styles and templates consistently. Instead of manually changing fonts and sizes, apply built-in styles like Heading 1, Normal, and List Paragraph. Styles carry formatting rules, so your document stays consistent and professional. The magic is that changes happen everywhere at once. If all headings need to move from 14 to 16 points, modify the heading style once and every heading updates instantly. You can modify a style right from the Home tab's Styles gallery by right-clicking and choosing Modify, so you're never chasing individual paragraphs. When your headings are in place, generating a table of contents is a one-click task on the References tab, and it stays accurate as you edit. For recurring work, reports, invoices, newsletters, start from a template file so the branding, layout, and default styles are ready before you type a single word. Next, navigate smarter. Turn on the navigation pane from the View tab. It displays an interactive outline built from your heading styles, letting you jump to any section or even reorganize chapters with a simple drag and drop. Pair that with the Shift plus F5 shortcut, which cycles through your last 3 edit locations, and you'll stop wasting time hunting for where you left off. Now, reduce repetitive typing by automating content entry. Use quick parts or AutoText to save reusable blocks, anything from a signature line to a formatted table, and insert them in seconds. For short expansions, set up autocorrect in File, Options, Proofing so a brief, unique abbreviation instantly turns into a longer phrase you use often. And when you catch yourself performing the same clicks and formatting steps again and again, record a macro to run the sequence automatically and assign it to a shortcut or the quick access toolbar. Finally, streamline collaboration and review. Turn on track changes so every insertion and deletion is captured, eliminating the need to juggle multiple versions. When feedback is in, use the Accept and Reject controls on the Review tab to move quickly through revisions and finalize with confidence. If a colleague sends edits without tracking enabled, use Compare on the Review tab to see every difference between the original and the revised file in one view. Put these habits together, styles and templates, smart navigation, automated content, and structured review, and Word becomes a tool that works as fast as you do. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.